Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use the presenter view in Microsoft PowerPoint. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So let's suppose that you have make a presentation and now basically you want to present your presentation in front of people. Then what you gonna need to do here, you will go into this slideshow tab here, and basically in this option here you can see we have this checkbox where it says use presenter view. So the presenter view shows the full screen slide, how show on one monitor, and a speaker view on another monitor showing a preview of the next slide, your speaker notes, a timer and more. If you have only one monitor, you can use Alt+5 to try out a presenter view. Okay, so basically what we're gonna have to do, we will click on Alt plus basically Alt plus 5, and we will get into the presenter view. Okay, so now you can see that we have in our presenter view. Okay, so basically here we have our main slide, and basically here we have our slide notes if we have any. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.